Hello everyone, this is the J-Pen Club. Today is the unboxing video of the P1 airbrush set. Open the package. An S230 airbrush can be seen. The GPS230 is a trigger-type airbrush with a caliber of 0.3 mm. 1 JP10 handheld air pump. A small dropper. There is a scale on the dropper. Liquids can be accurately measured and dispensed. A set of washing brushes. It is used to clean areas that cannot be reached. A small wrench is used to remove the nozzle of the airbrush. The next layer is equipped with 2 batteries. By replacing the battery life is greatly extended. Finally, there is the charging cable for the battery. Connect the airbrush and air pump together. Then install the battery. 1 push and 1 press. The battery is ready to be installed. Battery replacement is easy. Remove the battery to replace. Push press to complete the installation. The P1 is comfortable to hold in your hand. The position of the trigger is also just right. Press the white switch on the air pump. Once the battery level is displayed, you can start spraying. Pull the trigger and see the excellent atomization effect. Well, goodbye.